Question: how satisfied are you really with what you're cooking at home? Following the Core 3 healthy eating plan means getting in all three core essential macronutrients. These include fiber-rich carbohydrates with at least 25 grams of fiber per day, lean and plant proteins, along with anti-inflammatory fats. The rest of your diet is going to be filled with immune strengthening and gut-friendly vegetables. That might look like these yummy blueberry waffles that provide plenty of fiber-rich carbohydrates, or this colorful vegetarian Cobb salad featuring anti-inflammatory smoked almonds in lieu of traditional bacon, or even air-fried fish and chips that offer lots of lean protein and satisfaction. Life is a balancing act, and your diet should be too. Learn how to do just that in my new book, The Core 3 Healthy Eating Plan.